We're here today in Burgas in the Healing Island Park, and we were having a playful event here with all ages, but mainly 4 different kindergartens locally. So we had a lot of kids here playing with all of the different games from each of the 6 cities, like Cub and Mulk and Skipping and the Wishing Tree.
I truly hope that after today this place will get more and more popular and more kindergartens and schools will come and enjoy it.
So the idea of the event here today was to connect people, young people, with nature, so to make sure that they're physically active in nature and that they can connect to it and as they grow older.
Най-много ми харесаха игрите с хвърляне на обръч. Трябваше да нанизат обръчите на пръчки, които бяха номерирани с различни цифри. Това най-много ги забавляваше.
На мен ми хареса най-много играта, където стъпвахме с пънчетата, с момичетата.